Hi everyone, welcome to Untouchable Facts. Today we are going to be talking about madness of this week. After inviting my ex to come and see my new car, see what I got in return.
2, kick it!
After refusing to give my wife my phone, she decided to break my head. She tried to be a Superman, but see what happened in the end. After refusing to pay the actual amount for delivery, he also decided to destroy my parcel. After 7 days of learning how to drive, this is my result. When you take a parasite as your pet, tomorrow onwards, barking is free. Result of designing a foolish door. This is super crazy idea. When your best friend becomes your husband, you will always fool together. What will you do to your younger brother for being the best trouble courser? When you refuse to pay toll booth, you will end up paying multiple times of what you're to pay.
Failed at his task when he tried to steal meat from a kebab restaurant when he realized that the meat was hot.
This is where to find free ice cream. This man refused to give this job to the right people. How does gas explore in a factory? After running away from my boss, this is how my work looked like. After so many years of learning Chinese Kung Fu, I used it on my friend's door.
Oh, no.
I finally found the 21st century Michael Jackson. I think this must be a prank from his co-workers. Look at what the robot did. The boy actually showed it where to put it.
Has this store hired a new security guard? If not, then they better contact this woman.
This man was trying to move a mobile home using his personal use truck, which turned out to be a bad idea. At least he got lucky. After a horrible framing job, there was no other option but to knock it down. When a group of emergency workers tried to demonstrate with a mannequin the possible use of a horse carrying a stretcher, they concluded that maybe a highly volatile animal shouldn't be doing that job. A crane operator got a little too excited when it went to pick up a shipping container. Thankfully, the truck was empty and no one was injured, but when a man was doing his job in front of his boss, who also happened to own the truck, he got a little nervous and dropped the tree logs in the wrong position, causing the $200,000 truck to flip.
Thank you for watching. See you next week.